Hey guys, welcome back to DIY Corner, and today we'll be making a DIY unicorn t-shirt. Let's begin. The things you will need will be PVA hobby craft glue, an iron-on embellishment unicorn, and some extra decorations like pom-poms and buttons, and of course a white t-shirt. After you iron on the unicorn, you're going to start decorating. So you can do any design you want, but I'm going to just do what should I do? I'm going to put them in random spots and see how that goes. So this is the final product of the unicorn t-shirt.
Do you want to model it?
Yes. Oh! Get it on!
Oh. Do you like it?
Yes. Of course I like it, I made it. Subscribe it, like it, and comment down below it. Toodaloo.